Na ateti ni mabati gũtara na gũtuĩka kĩonereria kĩega kũrĩ andũ ethĩ nĩguo kũmaharĩria ũtongoria-inĩ. Ũyũ nĩ uge wa mũnini wa President Rigathi Gachagua ũrĩa ugĩte bũrũri na makĩria gĩtarũ gĩa gatagatĩ ga bũrũri-inĩ ũgũmĩirwo nĩ mathenya ũtongoria-inĩ marĩa macũngĩrĩirio nĩ andũ ethĩ kwaga gũtarwo na makĩria mwerekere-inĩ wa kũiyũkia iturwa cia ũtongoria ikĩro-inĩ itiganĩte. Gachagua arĩtie arĩ kaunti-inĩ ya Nyĩrĩ icera-inĩ rĩake Nyarĩrĩ-inĩ cia kĩrĩma gĩa Kirinyaga.
This morning I also came here with our young leaders because President William Ruto and I have made a commitment that we shall mentor our young leaders and we prepare them for leadership. I have come with Senator Karungo and Senator Methu from Nyarĩrĩ-inĩ, our young people, very promising leaders, and along this journey I've been telling them our ways, our traditions and our culture and our belief. I have requested them to remain humble for the opportunity God has given them to serve, to be humble before God, and to be humble before the people that they lead.
You know, when a father sets an example, and a good example for that matter, the children have no option but to emulate. And that's why we are here following the footsteps of our Deputy President, Rigathi Gachagua, who has shown us the way. We have come here to the mountain, of course, to thank God, and especially the turbulences we went through.
To come here, besides him being the Deputy President, he's our leader, he's a leader of the from Mount Kenya, and that he has found it in his heart to mentor those of us who are young. To us, besides him being the Deputy President, he's also a parent to us. I'm only that 1 year old, and he has been there long before myself. So to teach us the ways of our community, and we are taking after him to find time out of his very busy schedule to mentor those of us who are young leaders and who are upcoming leaders. We are so grateful to him. Number two, we are also learning a lot from him, especially this morning, the lessons that he has given us, being the Deputy President and the humility that he exudes. We have every example in him of a leader that we can emulate, of a leader that we can take after.